fire. Look, you see the stem? Come on, light it up.
Light it up.
Everybody run when you light it up. Oh. Let's go.
Shoot. Oh. Oh, this is lit fireworks ever, bro. I think that was. Alright, y'all. So it's my turn just to lit this motherfucker up, boy. Alright, y'all. So I don't know if y'all can see or not. Of course, y'all can't. So.
Can you see?
I need a flash. I think I need a flashlight.
Huh?
I think I need a flashlight.
You need a flashlight?
Yes, sir.
Let's go.
Alright. Alright, thank you.
Pull the stem out.
Yes, sir. Gonna do this.
Let's see what they will do. You got it?
I think I do. Alright, there we go. I think I got it. Let's see what you're talking about. Alright, I got it.
He got it. He got the stem out.
Alright, y'all. So
Let's go.
let's see what this might work for.
Let's run.
Oh, shoot. Oh. I see you too. A fountain? Man, a fountain? Hey, this mother fire. Oh. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Chat. Oh my god, this looks so fire. Oh my lord.
Terry,
Yes, sir.
it's time to bring out the cannon.
For real? Oh yeah.
Trying to bring out the who?
Alright, y'all, so I should have did this in the first place, but I'm gonna show y'all what he told me. I don't know if y'all heard it, but he said we're gonna get the cannon. This it. So yeah, I'm gonna talk to you guys what I. Alright, y'all, so I'm finna pull it. I'm finna unlock the cannon. I need my flashlight right quick.
You need a flashlight.
Yes, sir.
Nah, you want to do one
And
of
then,
these right quick?
and then I wanna unwrap it.
He's going to do one of these right quick.
Okay.
A Roman counter.
Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Yes, sir. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So.
Terry, your baby brother. Who's your brother?
Yes, sir. Okay, guys, they just dish me all over that, so come over here and put all the light at y'all. Alright. Yes, sir? Yes, sir? I'm trying to go somewhere with light. Alright. Chat, so I'm gonna come over here. So I can better unwrap this bad boy. You feel me? Alright, chat. So you can see that we opening the beast. Okay, chat, so we got the beast open. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So, alright, chat. So I think I got this open now.
Yeah, I should have put the fan right here. I see it and everything right here.
Alright, y'all. I got it open. So I'm gonna show y'all a review what it looks like. This is what it looked like. So yeah. Go ahead. Alright, y'all. So this is the cannon with it split up. And we're finna use one of these. So I'm finna go with this one. Alright, y'all.
The cannon.
Yeah. Alright, y'all. So if y'all ever wonder how to take this off, just unwrap it. Alright. There we go. As y'all see, we got it unwrapped. Put it up inside of there.
Then another rope come. You want to do another
Alright.
rope? Oh, there-
Alright, y'all. So we got it set now. So, yeah.
As soon as you set it in the started place.
Yeah, I don't think this spot started place. I think it might flip over. If I'm correct, yeah, this one look like it's finna catch on fire. Dad, I'm gonna need your help right quick. I'm gonna need your help. So I need to make sure it's sturdy. I need a flashlight. Yes, sir. And I need to make sure it's sturdy. So this.
My phone is going dead.
Oh shoot.
Look, that one is still smoking. It's still on fire. We need to
So-
get that one out.
Okay. Nope. No. Trying to find a good spot. I think this might be it.
That's a good spot.
I think it might.
Like the stem and run.
Alright. If I don't get burnt by this. Okay, y'all. 2 versus me. Even though I know he's gonna burn the crap out of me, chat.
Everybody back.
Okay. Oh shoot! Oh shoot, y'all! Oh shoot! Oh! Oh! Yo, that was cool. Oh, excuse me. That was cool. Y'all, let's go get another one. We finna get another one, y'all. You feel me? That was cool. Alright, like I said, unwrap it. Okay, guys, so now I got this unwrapped. Okay, guys, now it's time for the next one, guys. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Huh? Yes, sir.
I can't see.
Dad, we're gonna need your flashlight. Hold on. Oh, never mind, you got it. I think you can. Oh. Ooh. You got it? Go back. Like, put it right here. Yep, right there. No.
Can you see?
There you go. Yeah.
I don't know the instant to do it. You probably do it with a lighter.
No, I think it just works for. Oh, go. Goat. Oh. Guys, that was so cool. I ain't even gonna lie on that one. That was so cool. Guys. Alright, y'all, so we can do this one. Okay, guys, so I think I'm gonna do the next one now. Wait, let me see my friend do it. Let me see my friend what he got. Man, my friend got some lame stuff over there. My friend ain't about that. He ain't about that. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna wait till they ready, and then I'm gonna light that bad boy up. Even though I know y'all can't see. My fault. Ready when y'all are? Okay. Okay, y'all. So, 3, 2, 1. Oh, shoot, guys, I gotta go. I gotta go. Of course, I gotta go. Oh, guys, that was cool. That was crazy. Yeah, that was so lit. Okay, so now we can get the next one. Hopefully this one don't be the same thing. Okay, y'all. Okay, y'all.
Walk around though. Walk around what? Yeah. Oh, wait.
Okay, y'all. So I got the next one in my hand. Now we're gonna put it up in there. And okay, let's see my parents. Y'all ready? Alright, y'all. So I'm gonna let it up. Oh, I'm scared. Oh shoot. Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all. Oh. Oh. That was so lit. I'm getting scared. It's like paranoid because I feel like it's gonna burn my hand or something. Oh, guys. Dang. Okay, y'all. So now we got the next one. Sorry if this keep on going. But hey, I should have made a vlog. Ooh. The cannon flipped over. Nay. We got a cannon that flipped over. We got a cannon that flipped over. We got a problem. Never mind, I flipped it back over. Okay. Now we gotta wait for my father. Dad right now? Ready? Okay. Okay, y'all, so I guess my dad gonna do this, huh? So this right, it's like this bad for the right. Oh! Come on, guy. Oh. Oh. Yo, that was so fire. Oh. Yo, the shell is right here. What the freak? Yo, I gotta go show them. Mom, the shell just came back over here. The candy shell, it came back over here. The part that shoot, it came over here. Oh my God, y'all. Alright. By the way, thank y'all for 100 subscribers. I forgot to tell y'all that. Oh yeah. Now, let's get ready. Just unlock this. Oh, hold on. No. Alright, there we go. I think I got it now. Alright, y'all. So we can light this bad boy up. Even though it just malfunctioned, it keep on flipping over, guys. Like how? Oh well. Hey, we got more coming, guys. Dang, this tube getting hot. Alright, y'all. So we put the thing back in here. Ready? Ready? Wait, hold on, y'all. Let me go see my parents ready. Sure, I can't start without them.
Yes.
No, not you.
Huh?
That roof. Not you. Oh, guys, I guess I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, we back. So, this is the last one, I think. Yes, sir? Alright, y'all. So we finna go ahead and light them mud back up. Ready? Okay, y'all. So they ready. Oh, I'm scared. I don't want to get burnt. Ooh, scared, y'all. Oh my God, keep on burning me. Guys. Oh shoot, guys. Oh shoot. Alright, y'all. Ooh. Ooh. Alright, y'all. Let's see if I got another. Nope, we ran out, guys. As you can see. Alright, let me tell my parents. Alright, it's all out.
What happened to that light that was up here?
I'm not sure.
Dad probably got him in line.
But yeah, I found one of the shells back there. One of the shells in the can.
Nah, they gonna have one of y'all like this or some y'all took the damn.
Yeah. Okay, y'all. So I got the next firework, and I already pulled the steam out. So they go ahead and light it up. Let's see if they ready. Oh. Okay. I got the next firework.
What that is?
This the
Oh, that's 6 shot. Okay.
This the, oh, my little brother. Alright, y'all ready?
They said that was supposed to be pretty good. Let's see how good it is.
Alright, y'all ready?
Yeah, that was good.
Okay, y'all. They ain't even hyping me up. Ooh. Y'all ready? Okay, so I gotta wait for my mom. Okay, bet. Alright, y'all, so we're finna light it up. Okay, shoot, guys. That was kind of freaking. Okay, y'all. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, y'all. That was it?
That's it? Yeah, we only 6 shots. Damn, we got more than
Oh.
that. Thank you, BF.
Oh, thank you. Okay, y'all. So we got purple party. So.
Cut out deep. I brought 4 out here.
Yep. He brought 4 out here. Now let's see if this fire is worth it, y'all. Okay. Set it up right there. Ready? Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna light it up now. Oh shoot! Why would I stand there for a few seconds? Oh my god, y'all. It's on fire. Oh. Okay. Alright, y'all. Next one. Alright, bet. I got you. Let me go ahead and get the fuse for you, alright?
Come on, baby. Help me up here.
Yeah. Alright, y'all. My brother finna go ahead and. Zach, over here. Come on.
Zaya, go light it.
Where's go?
Sarah, where is it?
Right there, Zach. Zaza.
But watch out.
Okay, go ahead.
Is there 2, Taya? You gonna burn your phone? Okay.
He's not gonna burn my phone. He just sparked
You got it?
I got you. Hold on. Hold it.
Hold it.
Yeah. Go, 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 go. Alright, John. Oh. 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 Alright, y'all. So we finna do our last one, and we finna wrap it up. Yeah, ma'am.
There they go.
This is too many, y'all. Trying to focus on. Got the whole street on salad.
Went